Do you or someone you love struggle with high blood pressure? Are you tired of relying on medications, side effects, and constant doctor visits? What if I told you that there's a simple, natural, and fast way to lower your blood pressure, and you can do it from the comfort of your own home in just a few minutes a day? Welcome back to Live Healthy. Every day, the channel where I bring you simple, science-backed ways to improve your health naturally. In today's video, I'm diving into the #1 best way to lower your blood pressure naturally and quickly, plus other powerful habits that can help you regain control of your health, for life. So let's breathe deep. Because that's exactly where we're starting. Yes, you heard that right. The fastest and most effective way to naturally lower blood pressure is through deep, slow, conscious breathing. This may sound too simple, but it's deeply rooted in science. When I breathe slowly and deeply, especially through my nose and into my belly, I stimulate my parasympathetic nervous system. That's my body's rest and relax mode, the opposite of fight or flight. This system relaxes my blood vessels, slows my heart rate, and most importantly, lowers my blood pressure. Try this simple exercise with me right now, the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this for just 5 rounds. You'll notice your body relax, your mind clear, and if you measure your blood pressure before and after, you might be surprised by the drop. Many studies show that just 10 minutes a day of mindful breathing can significantly lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure over time. But before I dive deeper, let's talk about why this matters. High blood pressure or hypertension is known as the silent killer. Why? Because it often shows no symptoms, yet it quietly damages your heart, kidneys, brain, and eyes over time. Left uncontrolled, it can lead to heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, vision losses, and even death. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 1.2 billion people worldwide have high blood pressure. But here's the good news. In many cases, you can control and even reverse it naturally. Now that you know the power of deep breathing, let's look at other natural changes you can make to keep your blood pressure in check and your body in balance. Number 1. Cut down on salt. Too much salt is one of the biggest contributors to high blood pressure. Most of us consume way more than we need, especially through processed foods. Aim to keep sodium intake below 1,500 milligrams per day. Cook at home when possible and read labels carefully. Try flavoring your food with herbs, garlic, lemon, or pepper instead. Number 2. Boost potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps balance sodium levels and eases tension in your blood vessel walls. Great sources include bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, and beans. Try adding at least 2-3 potassium-rich foods to your daily diet. Number 3. Move your body every day. Regular exercise strengthens your heart and improves circulation. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking 5 days a week can make a huge difference. Other great options: swimming, dancing, cycling, or even light yoga. You don't need a gym. You just need to move. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts pressure on your heart and arteries. Even losing just 5-10% of your body weight can lower your blood pressure significantly. Focus on small, consistent lifestyle changes rather than crash diets. Remember, making these small changes, starting with just a few minutes of deep breathing each day, can have a powerful impact on your blood pressure and your overall health. Take it one step at a time. Live healthy every day. Thanks for watching. Take a deep breath and I'll see you in the next video. 5. Limit alcohol and caffeine. These substances can temporarily spike blood pressure, and for some people, the effect is long-lasting. Try cutting back slowly and notice how your body feels. Replace with herbal teas, lemon water, or decaf options. 6. Manage stress, mind and body. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, leading to higher blood pressure. Use daily deep breathing, meditation, or journaling to manage emotional stress. Try grounding exercises like barefoot walking on grass, stretching, or listening to calming music. You are what you eat. And when it comes to blood pressure, certain foods are natural healers. Here are 7 superfoods to add to your grocery list. Beets, rich in nitrates which relax blood vessels. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known to lower BP. Oats, packed with fiber that improves heart health. Berries, full of antioxidants that fight inflammation. Dark chocolate, in small amounts, it may improve blood flow. leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula, fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, rich in omega-3s. So, what should you do now? Start your day with 5 minutes of deep breathing. Drink more water, eat more greens, and move a little every day. Be mindful of salt and processed food. And most importantly, be consistent. These aren't quick gimmicks. They're long-term sustainable habits that can help you reduce or even eliminate your reliance on medication, always under your doctor's guidance, of course. And remember, even small changes add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Live Healthy every day. This channel is here to support your journey toward a healthier, happier you. One breath, one bite, one step at a time. Got questions or personal experiences with managing high blood pressure naturally? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your heart and live healthy.